Question number 9. So this question is related with the trigonometric graphs and transformations. Let's see this question. Figure 3 shows part of the graph of the trigonometric function with the equation y is equal to f of x. Write down an expression for f of x. So they are asking to write the equation from this graph. You see the trend of this graph. It is a cos graph. Why it is a cos graph? When x is equal to 0, it has a maximum. When x is 180 degree or pi radian, it has minimum. And we know that for a usual cos x graph, maximum value is 1 and the minimum value is negative 1. But here you can see it is 3 and minus 3. Here nothing is happened to x coordinates. So that means whatever be the transformation that happened only for y coordinate, and it is enlarged or it is stretched. In place of 1, it becomes 3, and in place of negative 1, it becomes negative minus 3. So every y coordinate is being multiplied with a 3. That is how it becomes magnified to 3 and minus 3. So we got a clarity on this. So how do you answer this question, A part of this? So we can say that the answer for A part is f of x is equal to, anyway, it is cos of x because x is not touched or it is unaffected. And we know that only one thing is happened, it is being magnified by thrice. So we will write the equation for f of x is equal to 3 cos x. So this is the answer for A part. Now B part. What is the B part? Sketch for minus 2 pi to 2 pi the graph f of x, graph of the curve with equation f of x plus pi by 4. So it is something like y is equal to f of x plus a. So what kind of transformation it is? It is a horizontal translation. So if it is x plus a means inside the function, if it is plus, it means that this entire graph is shifting a units to the left along the x-axis. Here, no vertical translation is happening. Here only what is happening, it is a means here it is pi by 4. So this entire graph is shifting pi by 4 units to the left. Show clearly the coordinate of all the points where the curve intersects with the coordinate axis. So what we should do is, first of all, we will draw the x and y axis. Then after that, we will also keep, because anyway pi by 4 is there. So we will divide this x-axis as a multiple of pi by 4. So this is pi by 4, pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, pi by 4. Then next is 3 pi by 2, and next is 7 pi by 4, and finally it is 2 pi. The same thing, minus pi by 4, minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 4, minus 5, 5 pi by 4, 3 pi by 2, minus 7 pi by 4, and minus 2 pi. All are negative. And 1, 2, 2. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 2. So this is the case. Now we know that we will usually plot the normal graph. So what is a normal graph? This thing. First we will plot this. This is the normal graph. So we need to shift this. We need to shift this pi by 4 unit towards the left. So we are shifting this. So that is shifted pi by 4 units to the left. Then after that, we need to draw the graph from specifically from minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi. Correct? So we need to keep a dead end here. And here we need to draw the graph up to 2 pi. Okay. Now see the level. I think I need to redraw this to avoid confusion. So I'm just drawing two vertical lines here. And this is 3. Why I'm drawing this line? Because to get a complete clarity on this. Our normal graph is 0, it is 3. Pi by 2 is 0. Pi it is minus 3. And then 3 pi by 2 0. So this is the normal graph of 3 cos x. Correct? Now we need to shift this pi by 4 unit to the left. So we did now. We shifted this. And we don't want this part because we need to draw only from minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi. So that means that we need to draw up to 2 pi. What is this level? You see this level as well. So we need to complete up to this point because it is a periodic graph. Then you can remove this nonsense. We don't want this. This is for your reference. We have drawn the graph of y is equal to 4x plus 5. And specifically, we need to show the intersecting points. This intersecting points, this point is 5 pi by 4 is the 5 by 4 is the we are only interested to show the intersecting points. So first is 5 by 4. The next is 5 pi by 4. On the negative side, which all will be there? You know that. So please figure it out. One is negative 7 pi by 4. And this is minus 3 pi by 4. And what is this point? So how will you find this particular point? because we now know the equation of this line. Y is equal to 3 cos pi by 4 plus x. On x-axis, x coordinate is 0. So 3 cos pi by 4. So that means it is 3 root 2 by 2. This point is 0, comma 3 root 2 by 2. This is pi by 4 0. This is pi by 4 0. Minus 3 pi by 4 0. It is minus 7 pi by 4 0. So that is the idea about this test. Now move to the second part. This was the first part answers. Move to the second question. Figure 4 shows a part of the graph with a trigonometric function with the equation y is equal to g of x. Write down the expression for g of x. You see the speciality of this. This is a sine graph. Why? It starts with a 0, not starting from 1. It starts with 0, and you can see the sine nature of this graph. Correct? And we know usually a complete sine graph will make one complete cycle in between 0 to 2 pi. So here you can see how many cycles in between 0 to 2 pi. 2 complete cycles you can see here. So what that means? It means that the graph is horizontally enlarged by a scale factor of 2. That is why we got 2 cycles. So here you can see maximum it is going to 1 and minimum it's going to minus 1 means it is unaffected with the vertical enlargement. It is only affected with the horizontal enlargement. Therefore, what is the equation of this? Y is equal to sine of 2x. Why we are using 2x? Because 2 complete cycles. If it was 3 complete cycles, then we would have write 3x. If it was 1.5 complete cycles, then we would have write 3 by 2x. That is the idea. So the equation of this is second question number 8. The equation is y is equal to just sine 2x. Then move to be part of this question. On the separate diagram, sketch the graph minus 2 pi to 2 pi, the graph of this g of x minus 2. Show clearly the coordinate of the y-intercepts. So first of all, we will just copy down the mother function. Zero, pi by 2, pi, pi by 2, and this is 2 pi minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. And this is maximum 1, and this is minus 1. I'm just redrawing the same mother function. This is the given function. So we need to enlarge this by, not enlarge, I mean translate this by y is equal to g of x minus 2. Y is equal to g of x minus 2. So it means that it is a vertical translation because the equation is y is equal to g of x minus 2. So vertical translation, it is moving 2 units down. So 2 units down means it is going up to 1 and minimum 1 minus 1. So we'll just keep two more values, minus 2 and minus 3. So what we should do is the entire graph we need to shift 2 units downward. So 0 becomes minus 1 minus 2. Then the graph we will be shifting 2 units downward. So only one y-intercept you can see. This is the y-intercept. What is the y-intercept? 0, comma, minus 2. Clear? Because they are all asking to plot, sketch. After that, also show clearly the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 0, comma, minus 2. Clear? So this is the idea behind this question.